And I spend all my money on whiskey and beer. And now I'm returning with a golden great stone. And I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Well, I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. There we go. Well, I went to an alehouse I used to frequent. And I told the landlady my money was spent. I asked her for credit and she answered me nay. Such a custom as yours I can have any day. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Well, I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I brought home from my pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes open wide with delight. She said, I have the whiskey and the wines of the best, and the words that you told me were only in jest. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Well, I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I go home to my parents, confess what I've done, and I asked them to pardon the prodigal son. And when they caress me as oft times before, I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Well, I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Well, I play the wild rover. No, nay, never, no more. Give yourselves a round of applause. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody.